Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to harvest our 2025 onions, and then we're also going to harvest some other peppers, tomatoes, eggplants, cucumbers from the garden as well. So this year we started our pepper plants from seeds, but they just did not do very well. So in the end, I ended up buying these plants from an online nursery called Chasing Butterfly Nursery and Gardens. And I am honestly shocked at how well they're doing and performing. Since I ended up purchasing plants, this also gave me an opportunity to try a few new varieties that I've never grown before. And I have to say, this Sweet Sunset, I think it's called, is one of my new favorite peppers. It looks like the banana pepper, but it's so prolific. We also have some Cubanelle growing, giant Maconi, Jimmy Nardello. I think overall we planted over 40 varieties of peppers this season. So I'm very excited. We kind of wanted to do a test to see which one is our favorites, so we can narrow it down next year. But I'm really excited. Here I'm just harvesting some additional peppers, and then I'm starting to harvest some of our cherry tomatoes. All our tomato plants are doing really good at this point in the season. However, the cherry tomatoes, they are the early producers, and I think the Sun Gold and the black cherry did the best for us this year. The Sun Gold was a new one, but it is really good, and these were the yellow ones. I also went ahead and harvested some fresh lettuce this day, and I ended up making a lovely garden salad for lunch. And this is just another clip of our middle garden that has some additional cherry tomatoes planted. They're struggling a little bit due to our heat, but we're going to keep them watered and see how they do this season. And here's some of our harvest from today. We have our peppers, our sweet peppers. Our hot peppers are in a little square container. We have some eggplant. We have some cucumbers. Today I also went ahead and harvested this bed with our Tatsoi greens because, as you can see, they were starting to go to seeds. So I went ahead and chopped off the tops that were going to seed, and then we harvested the remainder of the plants. cleaned out that area of the bed, and then we got these plants washed and chopped and cooked. I actually ended up using these for dinner as a nice side, some sauteed greens, and they were so delicious. I will definitely be growing more of these greens in the fall. Today was also the day when we harvested our onions for 2025. Now this is our first year of growing successful onions. We're so excited. Planted these out in February of this year, and then we harvested them in early June. We grew about 6 different varieties this year. I don't remember the exact ones, but they were based on our Zone 8A, and they did really well, and we'll definitely be growing more. I think next year I'm going to do maybe 6 beds instead of the 3. As always, thanks for taking the time to watch our video today and following along our garden journey for 2025. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and continue to follow along the journey as we continue to grow our groceries for 2025.